If your wash day takes all day, you are doing it wrong. Here's my easy wash day routine that's quick, simple, and keep my curls popping every time. Hey boo, I'm Favy and you're welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you my exact easy and effective wash day routine without detangling combs or brushes. Let's get right into it. I always start with a pre-poo to protect my hair and make detangling easier. Remember, I'm not using any comb or brush, so this is the only time I'll be detangling my hair while wet. I section my hair into 4 parts. Then I spray my hair with water using a spray bottle. Then go in with a leave-in conditioner and finger detangle gently. This saves time later because the wash process goes by faster. Remember to finger detangle gently. Take your time. After detangling, put it in a braid and do this for all the sections. Now that we've done that, let's head on to the washing. By now you must know that I prefer washing my hair under the shower. I make it more wet first before using shampoo. Ensure to use a sulfate-free shampoo that cleans without stripping your hair, and focus on your scalp to remove product buildup because healthy hair starts from there. Please massage your scalp with your fingertips, not your nails. I make sure to shampoo my hair at least twice to remove all the products. If you're still watching this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. After rinsing thoroughly, now we can condition. Coat each section from root to tip, but try not to get it on the scalp. Add extra love to your ends because they are the oldest part of your hair. You can also slip on a shower cap or heat cap for 15 to 30 minutes so your hair can absorb the products better. I don't do this, but this is something you can add if you feel your hair needs it. Rinse thoroughly to remove products, especially from your scalp. You can see the way my hair is now. It is properly detangled. Remember, we finger detangled during the pre-poo session. Tada! So this is my hair, freshly washed and tangle free. You don't have to always go in with a comb. Your fingers will do just fine. To moisturize, I apply a leave-in conditioner on damp hair. Put it all over the hair, especially on the ends. Then I go in with a hair oil to seal in all that moisture. This is my hair up close after moisturizing. The curls are looking really good. And that's it, my easy, no stress wash day routine. No more spending the whole day on your hair. If this helped, drop a love in the comments, subscribe for more natural hair content, and share this with a friend who needs a stress-free wash day. See you in the next video, boo. Bye.